power to maintain the optimum rate of descent for the proper touchdown point. The 6 demonstration pilots you've been watching perform here this afternoon are but a small part of the Blue Angel team. The men and women in blue uniforms standing before you are members of the elite Blue Angel maintenance crew. Through hard work, many long hours, and unselfish dedication, they have each year for the past 62 years provided us with the 100% aircraft availability necessary to perform each of these demonstrations. As the aircraft taxi back, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce the Blue Angel maintenance crew. Command Master Chief Eric Hodge from Chester, Pennsylvania. Maintenance Master Chief Jerry Welsh from Bangor, Michigan.